Hey food cravers! Today on the Crave Culture, I'm making one of my go-to quick meals, stir-fried noodles with veggies and eggs. Let's get right into it. First, I prepped my ingredients, chopped some onions, fresh pepper, tomatoes, green peas, and carrots. You can already tell this is going to be colorful and tasty. Next, I parboiled my noodles just a little. Don't let it get soggy. Once it was halfway done, I sieved it out and saved a bit of that starchy noodle water. Trust me, it adds a nice touch later. Now to the fun part. In a dry pot, I added a little sesame oil. Guys, this oil is a game changer. It has this nutty, deep flavor that just makes your noodles taste next level. Once the oil was hot, I tossed in all the prepped veggies and gave it a quick stir. Then I added just 2 drops of soy sauce. Remember, a little goes a long way. It brings out this sweet, savory vibe in the veggies without overpowering them. I sprinkled in the Indomie seasoning. Don't skip this. Stirred it all together and added just a splash of that noodle water to loosen things up. Finally, I poured in the noodles and gave it a good mix. Then I finished off with 1 more drop of soy sauce for that final kick. And that's it, my stir-fried noodles done in minutes. I served it with some golden fried eggs on the side and it was so delicious. I nearly finished it before filming the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us for more crave-worthy recipes. Cordio!